Hello students, again welcome to math class. Today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 5.3 chapter 5. Here you have to find the sums given below. 7 plus 10 is to 1 by 2 plus 14 plus 84. We have to find the sum of this AP. So here we can see that first term is 7 and common difference is 10 is to 1 by 2 means 21 by 2 minus 7. Here we can take the LCM 21 minus 14. So common difference is 7 by 2 and 84 is here last term or you can say AN. It means we have to write the formula to find AN. Now A is 7, N minus 1, D is 7 by 2 and last term is 84. We are using this formula to find the value of N because we have to find the sum. So before finding the sum we must know what is N here. So therefore n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7 and we get n minus 1 is equal to 77 into 2 by 7. जो ये 7 by 2 है you will shift that to your right hand side and therefore n minus 1 is equal to 22 and we get n is equal to 23. Now we have to find the sum. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Sn is equal to 23 by 2 into A is 7 and last term is 84. So we can write it as 24 3 by 2 into 91. Now multiply it and you will get the answer. And product of these two numbers will be 2093 by 2. Again we have to change it to mixed fraction or into decimal. So therefore Sn of given AP, Sn means sum of terms of the given AP is Sn, or you can write here now value of n is 23. So required sum is this. Similarly you have to try remaining parts of question 2. Next, question number 3. In an AP, here in first part A is 5, D is 3, D means common difference and AN is 50 and we have to find N and Sn. This question is same as part 1 of question 2. So you have to try yourself. Part number 2, in this A is 7 and A13 is 35. A13 means 13th term or you can write A plus 12D. Now A13 is equal to A is 7 plus 12 and D is not known, but we know the value of A13. 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D and we get 28 by 12 is equal to D. So here value of D is, we can cancel it and you get D is equal to 7 by 3 and हमें फाइंड करना था D and S13. तो अब S13 को हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Therefore S13 will be 13 by 2 into first term, that is A, and 13th term is 35. But which formula we are using here? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Now we can solve it. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 42. So S13 will be 273. Next part, third. In this part you have to find A and S12. Try it yourself. Part number 4. A3 is 15 and S10 is 125 and we have to find D and A10. A10 means 10th term को find out करना है and D means common difference को find out करना है. So what we have to do here? Here A3 means A plus 2D and that is equal to 15 and S10 means 10 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 125. Now we can write it as 2A plus n is 10. So putting 10 in place of n. And we get 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Now we are having two equations. Equation number 1 is A plus 2D is equal to 15 and equation number 2 is 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. Now we can solve these two equations for the value of A and D. We can use substitution method or any of the method to solve these equations. After solving these two equations, we get D is minus 1. Now we, by putting value of D in A is equal to 15 minus 2D, we can find the value of A. We get A is equal to 15 minus 2 into minus 1. This gives A is equal to 15 plus 2. Therefore, A is equal to 17. Now we have to find 10th term. So therefore A10 is equal to A plus 9D and A10 will be 17 plus 9 into minus 1. A10 is equal to 17 minus 9. Therefore A10 is equal to 8. Hence D is equal to minus 1 and A10 is equal to 8. Next, part number 5th, you will solve it yourself. Here I am taking part number 6. In part 6, A is 2, A means first term is 2 and D is 8, Sn is 90. Meaning sum of some terms is given, a number of term is not known, we have to find n and an. n means how many terms are there and an means nth term को हमें find करना है. This is an important question. So what we have to do for it? First of all, write down the formula for Sn. That will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn is 90, n is not known and 2a, 2 into 2 it will become 4. N is not known and D is 8. So therefore we can multiply these two. 190 n 4 plus 8 n minus 8. 180 is equal to 4n plus 8n square minus 8n, or we can write it as 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Students, we can divide this equation by 4. Dividing by 4. We get 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Now we can factorize it by splitting middle term. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Solve it for, after solving it for n we get n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. It means either 9 minus 5 is 0 or 2n plus 9 is 0. From this we get n is equal to 5 and from this value we get n is equal to minus 2. So we have to reject this value. Why? Because number of term cannot be negative or in fraction. So therefore n is 5. Now we have to find nth term. Now what will be the formula? For nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An means we have to find fifth term. A5 is equal to a plus 4d, and by putting the values we get 2 plus 32 is equal to 34. So A5 is 34. Let us start part number 8 of question number 3, exercise 5.3. Here Sn and An are given and D is given to you. So we can apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So we can write Sn is minus 14, n is not known, and A is not known, and An is 4. So it will be minus 28 is equal to An plus 4n, or A will be minus 28 minus 4n by n. An is equal to 4. So therefore A plus n minus 1 into D is 4. So putting the value of A here, we get minus 28 minus 4n by n plus n minus 1, and D is 2 is equal to 4. After solving this, we get an equation. After some steps you will get 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. Solve it yourself. Now dividing it by 4. Now we can factorize it. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. N common, n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. And we get n minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. This gives you n is equal to 7 or n is equal to minus 2. So we have to reject this value. So therefore n is 7. Now we have to find A. We have to find the value of A. So we can put the value of n in equation number 1. Putting n is equal to 7 in equation 1. A is equal to minus 28 minus 4 into 7 by 7. A is equal to minus 28 by 7. A will be minus 56 by 7. So therefore A is minus 8. Part number 9 of question 3. Here A is 3 means first term is 3. N is 8 and sum is 192. This sum is of 8 terms because N is 8. So we can write S8 is equal to 192. Now writing the formula for Sn. Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn, n is 8. 8 by 2. 2a, 2 3s are 6 plus n is 8 minus 1 and d. And S8 is 192. So we can divide it by 4 and it will be 6 plus 7d. 48 minus 6 by 7 gives you value of d. 42 by 7, therefore d is equal to 6. Now we have to find this only. So this d is 6. Now part number 10. L is 28. L means An is 28. S is 144 and there are total n terms, nine terms, तो n is 9. तो therefore last term given है, meaning A9 is 28 and S9 is 144. We can solve it very easily. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, and n is 9 here, so 9 by 2. First term is 28 plus L, and in place of n we can write 144 multiplied by 2 divided by 9 is equal to 28 plus L. 32 minus 28 is equal to L. This gives you L is equal to 4, and L means last term. L means nth टर्म आपके पास आई है, nth, सॉरी ए है ये, दिस इज A9 गिवन है, मीनिंग लास्ट टर्म इज 28 and we have to find the value of first term. So it will be 28 plus A. 28 plus A. After solving this, we will get the value of A as A is equal to 4. So students, you have to do question number 3 today. Thank you.